Web-based content resources by Nicole Lawrence and
Rihanna Baird.
Strategic procedures. In the classroom, teachers must assist their students into navigating resourceful information. Here are a list of strategies to use when searching the web. 1. Use search engines, and 5. Quotation marks.
Learning digital citizenship skills. Digital citizenship is a topic that educators have to continue to be mindful of within their classroom. It is very important that teachers address the rules of digital citizenship and continue to remind and model good practices and responsibilities. A few skills that can help teachers and students address citizenship in the classroom are 1. Opportunities for students to learn responsibly through technology, and 2. Be sure what teachers are asking them to use is appropriate in the classroom.
Developing information literacy practices. As new literacies that include digital and media technologies involve, preparing students to understand and adjust to these literacy demands is critical. Here are some pros and cons. Pros. Internet access has become common in schools. They extend traditional literacy experiences with comprehension of information on the internet. Effective use of search engines to locate information. Cons. Bringing new literacies into the classroom is not an easy task for teachers. Teachers face additional challenges as well. These include problems with resources, teachers' knowledge and skills, and teachers' attitudes and beliefs.
Archive, immersive, and live web content to meet educational needs. Examples of archives are textbooks and technology. Example of immersive are visuals and audio. Live web content. The impact on live web content will allow students to 1. Be interactive with the content. The learner relates the visual content verbally or by taking notes. 2. Engagement. The learner connects to the visual content by being drawn in the video. Or 3. Knowledge, transfer, and memory. The learner may remember and retain concepts better than with other instructional media.
Benefits and challenges of locating using open educational resources. ORs. What are ORs? ORs are freely accessible, open licensed text, media, and other digital assets. Here are some benefits. Students anywhere in the world can access ORs. ORs are easy to distribute. And 4. The use of ORs instead of traditional textbook of course of packs reduce the cost of course materials for students.
Challenges of locating and using open educational resources. Since many OR allow any user to create an account and post material, some resources may not be relevant or accurate. Since OR creators generally do not receive any type of payment for their OR, there may be little incentive for them to update their OR and to ensure that it will continue to be available online.
Evaluation criteria. 1. Perform a needs analysis and specify goals and objectives. 2. Determine your technical resources and needs. 3. Evaluate pre-existing software and use it to fully meet your needs. 4. Secure commitment for all participants. 5. Develop content in close coordination with website design, which you will capitalize, hire, and prepare a timeline. 6. Encourage active learning. 7. Facilitate and plan to encourage use by the learner to make, provide, and motivate. 8. To evaluate both learners and course. 9. Pilot the website before full implementation. And 10. Plan to monitor online communication.
Web-based communication resources. The use of web-based communication increases education efficiency. Students and teachers are able to communicate with one another daily. For example, emailing, video chatting, social networking are ways to reach your teacher or student during the academic year.
Collaborative web-based resources. There are many options which promote classroom collaboration and enhance writing skills in students. A few collaborative web-based resources are blogging, Wikispaces, Padlet. Padlet is a virtual wall, and 4. Using digital tools.
Web authoring tools. Web authoring tools are used to create web content and cover a wide range of software programs you can download to your computer or access online. Word processors like Microsoft Word, WordPerfect, or OpenOffice Writer are some of the most popular web authoring tools available. Desktop publishing programs like Adobe InDesign and Scribus are designed for producing material like newspaper, magazine, books, and web pages. And last, online web page builders. Website hosting sites usually offer their customers many web authoring tool options to create and maintain their web pages online.
Web design perspective. Purpose of the website: to turn visitors into prospects. 2. Branding. Branding tells the audience what they can expect from the business or organization. And 3. User friendliness. A website should also be able to give customers or readers an excellent browsing experience. A user-friendly website is compromised into two elements: design and user experience.
This is a page of a web development organizer. Step 1 is information gathering. Step 2 is planning. Step 3 is design. Step 4 is content writing and assembly. Step 5 is coding. Step 6 is testing, review, and launch. And step 7, which is the last step, is maintenance and regular updating.
Learners' engagement in web-based communicational technologies. Students interact in an active learning environment to perform web-based assignments. They are able to engage and create a web base of their own. Also, students must have a design, plan, and purpose to create a web-based communal technology.
The benefits and challenges of blended learning model. The benefits are student-driven, 21st century skill-oriented, additional opportunities to collaborate and interact, and prepare students to become lifelong learners. A few challenges are deciding which element of a blended learning model requires in-person interaction and which one are best mediated by technology. And second, as technology becomes integrated with students' academic and personal lives, students become more wary of their privacy.
The characteristics of integration strategies. Educators are constantly striving to find new and innovative ways to educate their students, and blended learning is among the newest concepts being adopted. Blended learning combines the traditional classroom model with other modes of learning, such as online and mobile learning. Although the combinations are almost limitless, there are four major characteristics which are most adopted currently: rotation, flex, enhanced virtual, and self-blend.
Characteristics of online learning model for relevant instructional situations. A few characteristics are having a strong academic self-concept, possessing interpersonal and communication skills, understanding and valuing interaction, exhibiting self-directed learning skills, and exhibiting a need for affiliation.
Benefits and challenges of online learning. Benefits: learning objectives. Students are made aware of content importance, effective for teaching basic skills and facts, helping in knowledge and construction, commonly used and accepted method of teaching, and they can also be used to introduce other teaching methods. Challenges: self-discipline, technological reliance, conflicts in learning styles, and diminished social aspects.
Integration strategies of online learning. Integration to generate motivation to learn is an in-at-risk and low-interest topic, highly visual and interactive qualities of videos. 2. Integration to foster creativity, problem solving in a non-threatening environment. 3. Integration to facilitate self-analysis and metacognition, environments that allow learners to think about how they think, problem solving courseware, logos, and multimedia resources. 4. Integration to increase transfer of knowledge to problem solving software to promote transfer in subjects where innate knowledge is frequently a problem. And last, 5. Integration to foster group cooperation. While schools can certainly teach cooperative work without teaching resources, a growing body of evidence documents students' appreciation of cooperative work as both more motivating and easier to accomplish if it is used in technology.
Identify tools, strategies, and procedures to teach and build an online course. First, pick the perfect course topic. 2. Ensure your course title idea has high market demand. 3. Create magnetic and compelling learning outcomes. 4. Select and gather your course content. 5. Structure and gather your course content. 6. Structure your modules and course plan. 7. Filming, recording, and editing your online course. 8. Setting up your online school. And 9. Launch and ongoing marketing. Here's our work citation page, and this is to conclude our presentation by Nicole Lawrence and
Rihanna Baird.
thank you.